Hello everyone, hope you're doing well today. Welcome back to SE Ranking. This is a tool that I've been using a lot recently, and I wanted to show you guys some of the main things that I'm using in it. This tool has a lot of really cool stuff. It's basically like a cheaper version of SE Ranking, but it still has a lot of really awesome information that you can use to improve your online business. Before I start this video, I'll say that I'll leave my affiliate link in the description so that if you're interested in SE Ranking, you can use that link and you can actually get a 14-day free trial of SE Ranking. So once you've added your website as a project in SE Ranking, you have a lot of things that you can then analyze from there. So it's very easy for you to do that. You go on to create project and you just walk through a wizard, and that's how you can add your website first. I do have a full video on this if you want more of a walkthrough of all the finer details. Then when your website is added, I've added a few examples here. So in the left hand side, when I'm in the projects tab, I can then go to say Texton. Now for this video, I really want to show you this marketing plan. I think this is a really awesome feature of SE Ranking. I think it's very underrated. Basically, it will show you a really detailed marketing plan for your website, and I think it's awesome. So you can see that there is already this plan automatically generated as soon as you've added your website, and it will give you a variety of tasks that will help you to promote your website and make sure that it ranks higher on Google. And if you were to follow all these things, I'm sure that would happen. So all of these tasks are really nicely divided into various sections. So you see we got step 1, semantic core and keyword research. Step 2, on-site optimization. Step 3, if I can speak, mobile optimization. Step 4, content strategy. And step 5, off-site optimization. And step 6, social media strategy. So if you work through all these things, you would have a lot of awesome stuff worked on your website. This is also really helpful if you're working for a client and you want to show them all of the things you're working on. You can also add your own tasks. So if there's other things that you want to add into a section, you can add this yourself, which is handy if you have your own ideas of what to do in each of the sections. So basically you have within each of the sections, it will explain what you ought to do. Of course, I'm not going to go through all of these. I'm just going to show you one example. So for step 1, for the semantic core and keyword research, you can see it saying analyze competitor keywords, and it explains why that's important. And then if you click on this how to, it will then explain exactly how you can analyze the competitor keywords and how you should do that. And when you feel that you have done that, you just need to click here and that will be finished, right? So you just work through here, you go to all the how-tos, it explains, and it will basically link you out to each of the tools that you need to use. So this is awesome. Basically anyone is able to market a website in a really good way. I really like the way this is done, and it basically covers all of the major things that anyone should be looking at for their website. I'm in the process of working through all of these on all of my websites. I would highly recommend you also are doing the same. You can see it's got mobile optimization, content strategy, write a unique title. So it's explaining how to do that in more detail. Yeah. So I really think this is awesome. This is one of the main reasons that I really like SE ranking as a tool. You can basically organize so much stuff about a website that you own within this tool. Anyway, like I said, I'm not going to go through this in all loads of detail. It will take me hours, but hopefully you have an idea as to what is going on here. Like I said at the start of the video, you can use my affiliate link and you can actually get a 14-day free trial, so you can actually play around with this yourself and see how you like it, right? So thanks for watching this video, and I will try and do more videos on SE ranking, and I will see you hopefully in the next video.